Alright, here we go. Got your saw tore down to all these little bits. Get the flywheel off so we can see that crank seal. Oil pump off so we can see that crank seal. I've got a piece of rubber cut to fit behind the intake boot, so that's sealed good. And then we hook up to the impulse tube underneath there, and we'll show you that there's no vacuum leak. Now you'll see this oscillate up and down with crankcase pressure. Rotating the crank inside their seals to see if they leak them. As you can see, it's staying right there. I can move it all around. And it just stays right there at 11. So that's real good. I've also taken and put pressure through this line, and I spray Windex because it bubbles real nicely. Spray it around cylinder base, crank seals, spark plug, decomp, and make sure there's no leak with any of those. So we're good to go. No vacuum leak, no pressure leak. I'll do that one more time without any flywheel movement. Oops. Not moving at all. I believe spec states that a little bit of movement is allowed, but this looks really good. Here's the piece I put on the back of the intake boot. Just a piece of inner tube cut out to seal it. Then another piece on the back of the muffler here, seal it up.